milestone today on the FJ. Removing all the spot welds. I'm going to take this whole complete panel off. Nice little handy dandy tool that basically removes the spot welds. But reason for taking all this off is obviously rust. Whole back's pretty much gone. We're going to shave the marker lights, shave the emblems. I'm actually going to shave the gas door, so it's easier to just take all this off. We'll put a whole new panel on, and then we'll planish this out on a machine much easier than doing it on the car. The vent up here is actually going to turn into the new filler neck. It's going to have a swing out door, and there'll be a modern filler in there, and that'll also be the reason why we need to take this off so we can access all of that. And now you get to see the skeleton of the FJ. As you can see there, we have some rust, and we have a little more here. We're going to replace all these panels, inner panel in here, of course fender wells all the way into the door, and turn this into a beautiful new FJ.